Hello everyone, welcome back once again to Ifea's Kitchen where friends and family cook. I believe the grace of God is keeping us and we are all doing well. Today I'm coming your way again with another simple but yet delicious recipe you and your family are going to enjoy. Without wasting much time, let's get right into the video. What are we making today? We are making fried rice the restaurant style. In a clean pot, add in your chicken stock and then goes in some salt to taste and then your soya sauce. And this is the twist to this recipe. Most people add in the soya sauce when the rice is cooked, but in this recipe we are cooking the rice with our soya sauce. Add in your rice, add some hot water, give it a good stir, cover up and allow the rice to cook. At this point, our rice is nicely cooked. I'm going to set it aside and move on to the rest of the ingredients. I have some chicken breast nicely diced, green bell pepper nicely diced, some spring onions, we have some cabbage, and then we have some carrots. I also have some nicely diced red onions, and then we have some ginger, some garlic, and some green habanero pepper. I also have some eggs on the side. To start with, I'm going to stir fry the chicken breast. In my clean pot, I add in some oil, toss in my nicely diced chicken breast. I will then season with some garlic and ginger, any seasoning of your choice, and then I'm going to toss in some of my nicely diced red onions. I'm going to stir fry this for some few minutes. I will then add in a little bit of some soya sauce, give it a good stir, and allow it to stir fry until there is no water in our pan. At this point, I'm satisfied with it, so I'm going to get it out of the pot and set it aside, and into the same pot I'll add in some oil. You can use any oil of your choice. I will then crack in my eggs and I'm going to scramble this until it is well done. When it's nicely cooked, I'm going to set it aside, go in with some oil again, add in my nicely diced red onions, some garlic, and then some ginger, and this is fresh garlic and ginger. I will then give it a quick stir, allow to fry for a minute or two, and then goes in some of my scallions, my diced green bell pepper, and then my carrots. I will then season the vegetables at this point with any season of your choice. If today is your first time coming across this channel, a warm welcome to you. Kindly subscribe to join the family. And remember to hit the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you would be notified so you can watch. I will then add in my cabbage, give it a good stir, and then add in my habanero pepper for some heat. I will then give it a quick stir and go in with my cooked rice. I will give it a good stir to ensure that everything is nicely incorporated. And to my returning subscribers here, I say thank you so much and God bless you for the support. At this point, I would reintroduce my stir-fried chicken, and then goes in my eggs as well, my scrambled eggs. I will then add in some of my cabbage again for some crunch, and then some spring onions to elevate the flavor of our fried rice. Give everything a good stir and we are ready. So simple, so quick, and so easy. And I would be serving this with some chicken and some black chili sauce. Thank you all so much for your time with us. Time is precious, so if you are able to watch this video till the end, I say God richly bless you and may your week be lovely and fruitful. Till I come here again in the next video, keep safe and don't forget to keep your little light shining. Bye.
Ifea's Kitchen, Daredevil.
So tasty!